Today I'm going to show you how to find the spell check feature in Outlook. This is incredibly useful for ensuring your emails are polished and professional before hitting send, helping you catch typos and grammatical errors that might otherwise slip through. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. This will load in all your emails and give you access to the full range of features Outlook offers. Just wait a moment for everything to sync up properly, especially if you have a lot of messages coming in. Now that your email has loaded and you're on the main Outlook screen, we need to access the email composition tools where the spell check feature lives. To do this, click on the New Email button, which you'll find located on the top left part of your screen. This button opens up a fresh email composition window, giving you access to all the writing and editing tools you'll need. Even if you're not planning to send an email right away, this is the gateway to accessing the spell check function. Once the email composition screen opens up, direct your attention to the top part of the window where you'll see several tabs. Look for the tab labeled Review and click on it. This tab contains all the proofreading and editing tools that Outlook provides. As soon as you click on Review, you'll immediately notice the spelling and grammar check function right there in the ribbon. It's usually one of the first options you'll see, making it easy to spot. To use the spell check feature, simply click on the Spelling and Grammar button. When you do this, Outlook will automatically scan through your entire email or message, looking for any spelling mistakes or grammatical errors. If it finds any issues, it will highlight them and provide you with suggestions to correct them. You can then choose to accept the suggestions or ignore them based on your judgment. This feature works in real time and helps ensure that your communication is clear and error-free before you send it out to colleagues, clients, or anyone else. And there you have it. You've successfully located and accessed the spell check feature in Outlook, giving you the tools to polish your emails and maintain a professional standard in all your communications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.